I think solar power is one of the biggest changes that the world will see in my lifetime. It's a truly revolutionary technology. I've had solar panels on the roof of my house for 7 years, and just recently I've upgraded it and fitted a Tesla Powerwall. So even if the battery's completely flat, by the time I'm up and around with the dogs, it's got probably 3, 4, 5%. And that's enough, interestingly, to boil a kettle and put on the toaster. On a sunny day, mid-morning, it's at 50%. I know that I'm capturing most of that electricity for later use, so it's a very, very different mindset. The Tesla app, I'm embarrassed to admit, I reckon 20, 25 times a day I'll check it. I get a little bit obsessive with it, I admit. So basically what a Powerwall lets you do is use the power from the sun at night. When the family's here and we're cooking, the laundry's doing, the washing machine's on, the tumble dryer, the dishwasher, the kettle, I know we're not taking that power from the grid, which we used to be when we only had solar panels and didn't store the energy. Now we're taking all that power from the Powerwall. The glory is it's guilt-free use. The vast majority of electricity that we use in this house is coming from the sun, and that is a great feeling.